Hey guys, I got a little update for you today. I'm back at the Tiny Fins job, which you might remember, we have got two very large ICF pools in this building that we built in 10 days back in the fall. After we did that, they went to work getting these buildings built, and they're all dried in now, so they're actually making some really fast progress. In about 8 weeks, we're gonna be in there installing the Renolit and the equipment, getting this thing ready to fill up with water and open up for business. And at that time, I'll do a lot more content, maybe with the owners, kind of talking about what they're doing. It's a really neat swim school for kids. But anyway, we're gonna be doing a bunch of content on two things. One, the ICF pools, Renolit specifically, and how good of a value it is for, you know, high use pools like this. These pools are gonna have 1,000 kids a week plus in them. But also, one thing that I think these guys would have reconsidered if they had it to do over again today is they would use ICF to build these buildings, I think. We came in very late in the bidding process, and this building with CMUs is actually more expensive than I could have done ICF for. That's a thing that sounds weird to people that are used to comparing ICF to stick frame, and that it's a premium upgrade, it's a little bit more expensive. But when you have tilt-up walls or CMU walls in commercial, the price is gonna be very comparable, apples to apples. Then when you get into all the stuff on the back end, the insulation, all the conduit work on the cinder blocks that you don't have to do on ICF, you're actually gonna end up being quite a bit cheaper. And the real big savings would be I would have been much faster. I could have built these walls at the same time I was building the pools and probably poured them a couple weeks later. Instead, these things got into winter time. We got cold, they couldn't work for a few weeks, and it drug on for a couple of months. Where ICF just really moves along really rapidly. So we're gonna get into a lot of that content, guys. Definitely, if you wanna follow along with this stuff, subscribe to our channel, but also check out all3pools.com. We're gonna be training more people on Renolit when we do these pools. We got training going on right now at the warehouse. Those things are excellent learning experiences, as well as our pool training. We got one coming up in June, probably about the same time that we are doing this pool. So yeah, if you're interested in learning more about Renolit or these types of pools, definitely just email Pat at support@all3pools.com, or just check us out on our website, all3pools.com. And we will see you guys in the next video.